This is the all-new Renault Clio. Let's start with the new expressive design Renault has brought to the Clio. On the outside, you'll see the new daytime running lights that match up well with Renault's new choice of diamond-cut alloy wheels. Inside, elements of chrome trims brighten up the modernised dashboard, with practical improvements like a raised gear lever and available 9.3-inch touchscreen. Next, let's see how the Clio is truly a connected car. But also, don't forget to see more reviews by clicking the I button in the corner of your screen. With a Google integrated sat-nav as part of Renault's EasyLink system, getting around is easy. Cruise control, speed limiter and full LED headlights come as standard on all models of the Clio. You can also upgrade to get access to full parking sensors and reversing camera. Finally, the Clio works to offer easy solutions for an enjoyable journey. As you'd come to expect from Renault, the Clio is available with a hands-free card. Open your car by simply walking towards it. The spacious 391-litre boot is the biggest in its class, while still offering plenty of room for passengers. And finally, stay focused with traffic sign recognition and active emergency brake. To see more new cars, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when we next upload. Or visit stoneacre.co.uk to book yourself a test drive.